Avoid a vlog this morning. Avoid a vlog this morning.
This is happening like with the lemon. It's at home. Well, let's go to Bandro. It's our 20. Fire. Yeah, no.